新张不拿水不的，米张不给给汤么里。
Like the straight tree is left in the middle of forest, so the straight person is left aside by the crowd.
This Bhutanese proverb compares a straight tree to a straightforward person. In the forest, woodcutters often cut down the straight trees that grow near the edge because they are easy to access, cut, and transport. However, the straight trees standing deep in the middle of the forest are often left untouched as they are difficult to reach. Similarly, in society, an honest and straightforward person may sometimes be ignored or left aside by the crowd. Because of their firm and principled nature, others may find it difficult to approach or influence them. In my view, this Bhutanese proverb teaches us a beautiful lesson. Sometimes being honest and straightforward can make us feel alone, just like the straight tree standing deep in the forest. But that's okay, because being true to ourselves is real strength. In the end, truth and integrity always stand tall. If you enjoyed this proverb, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meaningful Bhutanese sayings.